Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I'm going to be doing a 5-minute back to school makeup look, which you can wear to work, school, or even if you have last minute plans and you got to go out and you don't have that much time to work on your makeup. It takes no longer than 5 minutes to do, and it looks so flawless and so effortless, but you still look so beautiful while wearing this look. And it takes only 5 products, all drugstore, all affordable products to complete this look. So if you want to see how I got it, please keep watching. This is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 10. You don't have to put it on your forehead, but I have breakouts there sometimes, so, and my nose is pretty red all the time, and my cheeks get red, so I'm just gonna bring it more down. This is pretty simple, like you just do your under eyes and then like anywhere you have any problem area. And you want to make sure you blend it good, just so you don't have any like harsh lines where you can see where you have makeup on. Now I'm gonna set under my eyes and my forehead with this Rimmel Stay Matte powder. I broke the lid, so whatever. It's gonna take a little bit. And you want to set it just because it's really hot when you go back to school, and most schools don't have air conditioning, so it's gonna like crease or like sweat, and if you set it, it won't really do that. It should prevent it from doing that. And now I'm gonna bronze with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Just a little right here. Just to look like I got some sun this summer. And just the smallest amount on my forehead. And I'm going to use the NYC Big Bold Volume Mascara. Just like that. And you can do bottom mascara if you want to make the eyes pop a little bit more, but I'm gonna not do it for this video. Or you know what, I'll do it just to show you how it looks. And for lips, I'm gonna use my chapstick, and I have the Blistex, but you can use whatever chapstick you use, or if you wanna spice it up a little bit, you could use a gloss, but I'm just gonna use chapstick. And that's it. This is the finished look. It's super pretty, and I feel like I say that in all my videos about all my looks, but it really is really pretty. And if you are just running really behind in the mornings, or you don't really have a lot of time in the mornings, this is the perfect makeup look to do because it takes about 5 minutes the most. It will not take you longer than 5 minutes. This took me probably 3 minutes to do, and it looks like so effortless. Like it almost looks like you have no makeup on, but like you just look pretty and put together. So if you like this video, please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll be back with another video.